And guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerSchool account. So I'm going to go over the steps that you need to do to be able to be successful doing it. So step number one, you have to, and just let me share my screen with you so you guys don't make any mistakes. You have to go to the internet browser, and once you're in it, you're going to have to type here, ideapublicschools.org, and it should take you to the main page for IDEA. Now, it's very important that once you go there, you start navigating it. Where to go is a couple of things and a couple of places where you can find it. So you're going to go to Access Parent Resources. It should be at the bottom. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to see it right there, Access Parent Resources. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to start scrolling down at the bottom. It has different things, different programs going on. And then you're going to go to School Learning Resources. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to have all those different things here. And here, you're going to have PowerSchool. You're going to click on it. Now, if you remember your user and password for last year, you can access it through that. But if you don't, you can go to create an account. And then you call create account. Now, for this part, it's very important because a lot of you are going to be needing different things. So now I'm going to teach you where you're going to need to be able to do that because they're going to ask you for a couple of information. And I want you to make sure that you have all of that stuff ready to go. So first and foremost, you're going to put the account. It could be the account for your parents. It could be the account for you. It could be the account for anyone. So let's say that this account is for your parents. So let's say that I'm doing this for my dad because I'm a student. I'm pretending to be a student. So my dad's name is Pedro. His last name is Ceballos. And his email is pedro.ceballos@gmail. Of course, it's all made up information. And the desired username could be anything. So he wants to be Pedro Paramo 11. And then you pick a password. You need to make sure that the password is the same again. Now, this is the part that is very important. This is it where if you're doing it for your parents, you're going to put your student name, so whatever the name is. So I'm pretending to be the student, so it's going to be Jorge Ceballos. And this part is the one that a lot of you are trying to put your student ID. This is not your student ID. It's a completely different thing. It's called an access code. So I'm going to show you how it looks like and where you need to actually get it. So it's very important that you don't get the incorrect one because there's different kinds of access codes. So I'm going to just show you one. And of course, every one of you are going to get your individual one. And we're going to start distributing them today. So it kind of looks like this. It's going to have your first name and everything. It's going to be one of these pages that we're going to give you. And once you scroll down here at the bottom, it's going to have like the information. Like this is for another student, right? But it's going to have the access code there. And you should be able to use it and access it through that. Now, it's very important that when you're doing that, guys, you put that on the, I opened the wrong one. That when you're doing it, you open it and you type the correct information so it can create the correct access code for each one of you. So once you do that, you put the access code, and if you want to do it for more kids, you can, like they say, for example, if your parent has more than one student idea, they can do all of them. Each one will have different access codes. And you go to the bottom, and then you go to enter, and you should create your PowerSchool account. So that's pretty much all the steps that I have to do. Please make sure that if you watch the video, pause it, rewatch it again if you have any questions. And that's pretty much all the information that I have to teach you on how to access PowerSchool. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you have any questions, please send me a message through Teams. Have a wonderful day.